We used to do the funny thing at the beginning.
Yeah, why don't we do the funny thing?
Yeah, why aren't we doing a funny thing anymore?
What are you talking about?
You know what I'm saying.
That was easy.
Yeah, you don't remember that?
And Laffy Taffy jokes? I don't want to do this.
Just do it.
Okay.
All right.
Hey guys, Jennifer and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And today we're going to talk about the 629 Smith & Wesson Magnum Hunter.
And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds.
All right, today we're going to talk about the 629 Magnum Hunter revolver from Smith & Wesson. Now this is chambered in .44 Magnum, which is great for hog hunting, but also people like us here in Indiana, we can use it for whitetail deer.
And although it does come in with a built-in muzzle brake that makes .44 Magnum a little bit easier to shoot in this firearm, if you're a little leery, you can also shoot .44 Special. For all you hunters out there who are interested in the specs of the firearm and whether or not it qualifies for you to use as a hunting firearm, it does have a 7.5-inch barrel, not counting the muzzle brake, and the overall length of the firearm is 14 inches, also not counting the muzzle brake.
And you can use the regular sights that come with it, which are adjustable, but it has a nice red or kind of an orangish colored front sight. You can also use the UTG red dot that comes with it, which is red or green. Really easy to install. Now the 629 does have a stainless steel barrel and frame, coming in around 61.9 ounces overall. It can be a little heavy.
And this has been tuned by the Performance Center shop, so it does have a two-tone finish with chrome accents on the hammer, cylinder and cylinder release, the muzzle brake, and the trigger.
And after doing a little bit of research, we found out the single action pull comes in around 5.45 pounds overall, with the double action coming in around 11.8 pounds. Alright, the 629 does come with a zipper case in the box and a UTG red or green dot. Now this is super easy to install on the top on the pick rail.
And you know it does come with a battery already, so it's ready to go right out of the box. MSRP on this firearm is right around $13.69, but you should see it in your local gun shops around $11.50.
Thanks again guys for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds on the Smith & Wesson 629 Magnum Hunter.
Thank you for the viewer requests. Be sure to leave your comments below and let us know what you would like to see a review on in the future.
Thanks guys.